Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create an Instagram business account. First, you have to open up your Instagram application on your mobile device. After that, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right of your page. Next, tap on the three bars at the top right corner. After that, tap on the settings and privacy option here. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down and tap on the account type and tools. Here you will find the option switch to a free professional account, so tap on that option. Next, tap on the continue button at the bottom. Here choose any category from the list. Once you have selected it, tap on the done button at the bottom. Next, you need to select the business option, and once done, tap on next at the bottom. You will have the professional tools to connect with your audience on Instagram, so make sure to follow these steps carefully. Once you have done this, we have now turned our account into a business account, so you can now post content, interact with your followers, and utilize Instagram business tools like insights to track performance of your posts and stories. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.